Hi, today we're looking at the Robots Pro. This is another great STEM building activity for a kid or even adult. This is a 5-in-1, so you can give it as a gift. And especially if you don't know what the kid likes, they can choose which one they want to build. They have a chainsaw, they have like the robot guys. This guy even has hands. You can do a car. There's so many different ones. It's a 5-in-1, and they actually have all the names under there, so you can pick that. It comes with the pieces that the kids are gonna need and the directions so they can sit there and follow themselves and do as a fun, quiet activity. Open it up, you can see that the directions are thick because there's gonna be 5 different sets of directions in here. They're labeled into different bags. You'll pick the bags that you need at the appropriate time. It does come with a remote because you can control it with the remote. It has the battery that is going to be plugged in and used in all 5 designs. So then that way it has the control that you're looking for. You can do it with the remote or on your phone and be able to control the robot that you choose and just have a blast. Here you can see how the robot lights up, and you can even change the lighting from the remote or from the app on your phone. So then that way you can choose from multiple colors and pick the one that suits your style the best. All right.